The concept of freely sharing software is not new. In the early days of computing, software was often distributed alongside hardware, with source code readily available. This open approach fostered collaboration and innovation. However, as the software industry grew, the idea of proprietary software, where source code was kept secret and tightly controlled, gained traction. This shift towards closed systems began to stifle the collaborative spirit of software development. Yet even as proprietary software became the dominant model, a dedicated community of programmers held fast to the ideals of open access and shared knowledge. These pioneers believed that software should be a tool for collective advancement, not a source of private profit. They envisioned a world where anyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources, could access, modify, and distribute software freely. This vision, born in the academic labs and hacker spaces of the early internet, would eventually blossom into the open source movement we know today. Fast forward to the present day, and open source software is no longer a niche phenomenon. It has become the invisible backbone of the digital world, powering everything from smartphones and web servers to artificial intelligence and scientific research. The internet as we know it would be unimaginable without the contributions of open source projects. Open source has fundamentally changed the way software is developed, distributed, and used. It has democratized access to technology, allowing individuals and organizations to leverage powerful tools that were once the exclusive domain of large corporations. This accessibility has fostered a global community of developers who collaborate across borders and time zones to build better, more secure, and more innovative software. Open source projects are driven by a shared passion for excellence, transparency, and the belief that collaboration leads to better outcomes. The impact of open source extends far beyond the realm of software development. It has become a powerful force for social good, empowering activists, journalists, and citizens around the world. The journey of open source is marked by numerous milestones that have shaped its trajectory and amplified its impact. In 1983, Richard Stallman launched the GNU project, a monumental effort to create a completely free operating system. This ambitious undertaking laid the groundwork for Linux, the brainchild of Linus Torvalds, which emerged in 1991. Linux, a powerful and versatile operating system, rapidly gained popularity, becoming the poster child for the power and potential of open-source development. The rise of the Internet in the 1990s provided a fertile ground for open-source projects to flourish. The Apache web server, released in 1995, quickly became the dominant force in web hosting, demonstrating the scalability and reliability of open-source solutions. The Mozilla project, launched in 1998, gave birth to Firefox, a web browser that challenged the dominance of proprietary alternatives, championing user privacy and open standards. These are just a few examples of the countless open-source projects that have left an indelible mark on the technological landscape. Each success story has reinforced the core principles of open-source collaboration, transparency, and community-driven innovation. Section 4. Visionaries and Pioneers Shaping the Open-Source Landscape. The open-source movement is indebted to the countless individuals who have contributed their time, talent, and passion to its growth. These are the unsung heroes who, driven by a shared belief in the power of collaboration, have built the foundations of the open-source ecosystem. Richard Stallman, the founder of the GNU project, is widely regarded as the father of the free software movement. His unwavering commitment to software freedom and his tireless advocacy have inspired generations of developers. Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, demonstrated the power of distributed development, harnessing the collective intelligence of a global community to build a robust and widely adopted operating system. Tim O'Reilly, a strong advocate for open source, recognized its potential to disrupt traditional business models and foster innovation. Through his company, O'Reilly Media, he provided a platform for open source ideas and technologies to reach a wider audience. These are just a few of the many visionaries and pioneers who have shaped the open-source landscape. Their contributions extend beyond lines of code. They have fostered a culture of collaboration, transparency and shared learning that continues to drive innovation in the digital age. Section 5. Open versus closed, a tale of two software philosophies. The debate between open source and proprietary software boils down to a fundamental difference in philosophy. Proprietary software is treated as private property. Open source software embraces transparency and collaboration. The source code is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify and distribute. The choice between open source and proprietary software is not always clear-cut. Section 6. Success stories, open source giants in a proprietary world. The impact of open source is undeniable, with countless success stories demonstrating its ability to compete with and even surpass proprietary alternatives. Linux, the ubiquitous operating system, powers everything from supercomputers to Android smartphones, challenging the dominance of proprietary operating systems. Apache, the web server software, has been the bedrock of the internet for decades, powering a significant portion of websites worldwide. Its stability, scalability and security have made it the go-to choice for businesses and organizations of all sizes. Firefox, the web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation, emerged as a powerful advocate for user privacy and open web standards. Its success challenged the dominance of proprietary browsers, forcing them to improve their own offerings. These are just a few examples of the many open-source projects that have achieved widespread adoption and critical acclaim. Their success underscores the viability of the open-source model, proving that collaboration and community-driven development can produce high-quality software that rivals and often surpasses proprietary counterparts. The open-source movement has not only created innovative software, but has also fostered a culture of sharing, collaboration, and community that has had a profound impact on the technology industry and beyond. The future of open source, challenges and opportunities. The future of open source is bright, with its influence poised to grow. As technology integrates into our lives, open, transparent and collaborative solutions are crucial. Open source addresses challenges in AI, blockchain and IoT. Its collaborative nature and emphasis on transparency and security make it ideal. However, it faces challenges like sustaining volunteer efforts, addressing diversity and inclusion, and ensuring long-term sustainability of projects. Despite these, open source shows resilience and adaptability. It will shape the future of technology, fostering innovation and empowering communities.